Okay, folks, if you think that you've got the parallel circuit figured out, now you can start creating variations and investigate the impact that your changes have on the circuit. Now, what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to break this contact. I'm going to put in another resistor. Ooh, that's kind of ugly. Whatever. I think I'll just leave it like that. And I'll leave it as 10 ohms. It doesn't want to straighten out, but that's okay. I'll just leave it where it is. Oh, there we go. That looks pretty good. So now I have three resistors that are in parallel. In other words, when electrons encounter that loop, they have three choices to make. They can go through one of those three paths. But the resistor that's over here, every single electron has to go through that resistor. So it's kind of like we have a combination of series resistors and parallel resistors. Here we have a parallel branch, and here we have like a series branch where every single electron has to go through. And again, you can take your voltmeter and check the voltages across all of your resistors and your battery, and you can use your ammeter to check the current that's going across. Well, you can check all of these different branches and check the current and see if you can come up with general principles for this combined circuit, which has a series element and a parallel element, and see if you can come up with some general principles that govern this. And I tell you what, folks, like, I mean, if you can come up with these general principles on your own, the circuit analysis business will become very, very simple to you, right? It's the worst thing that I could do as a teacher would be to just tell you the rules, tell you to memorize them, and then apply them to circuits. If you understand how this works, then you can kind of visualize the electrons kind of flowing around in the circuit and the impact that changes in, like the voltage, the resistors, and how they're organized. If you can understand how all of that fits together, well, I tell you, you'll be doing pretty good.